For Library Week, we're going to be making an origami bookmark today. So I used for this project a standard 8.5 by 11 size piece of paper. This one is orange, but you can use any color you would like, a pair of scissors, and a ruler. I used the ruler and the scissors to cut this piece of paper into a 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter square. It doesn't have to be those exact dimensions as long as it's square, like so. So the first step for our project is to take the bottom corner and fold it to the top corner and crease it down the side like so. And your piece of paper will look like this. The next step is to take the bottom corners of the pyramid or the triangle and fold those to the top. Just like this. Give it a slight crease, and your paper should then look like this. The final step is to take the corners that we folded up, fold the outside of the top of the triangle down to the bottom, and then we're going to take those triangle bottoms and fold them in, just like this. Tuck it in tight. One side and then the other side, just like this. And today you're done. You have an easy origami bookmark. You can use this bookmark to bookmark your favorite book that you're reading that you have lying around. And so instead of creasing the pages, we can just slip our bookmark on like so. And it fits like a dream. Isn't that nice? You can also decorate your bookmark like this, like I did. Use different colors of paper. Please visit us online at hcpl.net, as well as download the Overdrive or Libby apps in order to check out our electronic materials, including e-audiobooks and ebooks. Also, keep an eye out for more digital content from the North Channel branch and the Harris County Public Library systems. Thank you for watching.